So what we are going to do now for you is to unbox the kit and explore each resource that we have included in it. We have also added a handbook for the teachers that can help you to go through the resources and see the variations and the different options that you can work with, and also add your own innovation. So it's a flexible process that we have given you. We've given you some ideas and you're free to add your own. So are you ready to take a peep at the complete kit with me? We are going to be exploring this beautiful kit and we are going to go in the order of the handbook. So we are starting with the literacy, and it's color coded. If you'll notice that the color code of the literacy sheets and the box is the same. So are we ready to go? So the first resource here is the flashcards. So you have the A to Z flashcards, and these are for activities which actually are in a large group working. Maybe you can seat the children in a circle and you can use this material. You also have tracing over here. So if you feel that children should come and put it on the table and finger trace, that's another thing possible with these flashcards. Now the next resource and it also has a list of activities that you can do with this particular resource. So explore it. I'm not going to read each one, but I'm definitely going to help you to explore it. And then you have the alphabet charts, which are right here, and you can put them up at the level of your children. There are 2 of them. That will also give them an idea on how to write it. And then there is one of numeracy, which we are going to introduce to you a little later. So these charts can be put up at the level of the children. What comes next is the alphabet lotto, a very interesting game. So I'm going to search for it, take it out of our box and show it to you. This can be played by 4 children because there are that many cards. So these are cards and each one is color coded, if you notice. So all this will help in ease of activity management. It is very interesting. While I was working with the, a very, very person who works with a lot of detail, who does this design for them, and he leads this, the creative team. It was amazing to see how the color control and how many little details were taken care of. So these are the cards that are related with it, which you can actually hand over to the children. And that's how when you call out, they can identify and either place the picture and match the picture, or they can place the letter. And when they finish a set of cards, they can say, okay, done. And you can circulate this in your classroom. So again, for every game, the details are so clearly mentioned over here. What comes next? The alphabet matchups. So another very, very interesting game. It has the uppercase and the lowercase letter and a key picture. All these cards are coated in a way that it will help you to keep them safe for longer. And the one very important thing to do with children is to help them understand that resources need to be taken care of. So a place for everything back in the place is a very, very important aspect. So the children, you can spread it out. You can give it to different children, get them to match the uppercase letter with the picture and the lowercase letter. And yet again, this is just one activity. There's so many more for you to explore right here in the handbook. Now what comes next? So you have, oh lovely, you have some beautiful cards that say I have and who has, and this is to introduce the phonic sounds to the children. So you can actually distribute these cards, and very interestingly, the children can look at a card and say, I have an apple, and who has a word that begins with the B sound or B. And then the child with this comes and says, I have a ball, who has a word that begins with the K sound. And then the game goes on. Again, like we said, explore it and read the handbook. Every time it's important to read what has been given to you. And of course, please innovate and add to the wonder of learning. And finally you have, and it has got counters. So children can actually place the counters here, and then when they reach on to a particular letter, they can match put the counter on the picture. So this is another lovely game for them to have, and I'm placing each of this resource here so that we can see the number of resources growing, right? Also for language development, we have a very nice set of the Hindi cards. The little children may not be able to learn all the letter shapes in Hindi, but it's a really nice resource to start right from the beginning, because there is finger tracing, there is a particular picture. So language has these resources ready for us to use.